Hey, welcome back to Odd Rob. This video, I'm here at Coney Island, and a boyhood dream of mine. Very excited about it. Always wanted to come here, eat a Nathan's hot dog, ride a ride, win some prizes. Who knows? Come on, let's share this for the first time together. All right, so we're walking just outside of Luna Park. There's a Nathan's on the boardwalk proper. Where we're headed is the real Nathan's. It's where Joey Chestnut does his thing. It's where the records were set for the hot dog eating. So that's the one we're going to, and then we'll go back into Luna Park. I'm about to have my first hot dog, and I've got sauteed onions, and I got chili. So gotta try a bite. Hold on a second. Yes. Now, listen, I've had Nathan's hot dogs at home. I've had Nathan's hot dogs in other places. This is the best Nathan's hot dog I've ever had, and there's some fries. So one of the things about walking around Coney Island before you get up to the boardwalk, there's quite a bit of beautiful graffiti. There's some more down below. And it's just really, really nice. So this here, that's just one of the many entrances into Luna Park. Fireworks are on the boardwalk during the summer. 9:45 p.m. and they're free. That's the Wonder Wheel, and I think that's where we're gonna go. The Nixter and I are on the Wonder Wheel and on the one that goes back and forth.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we asked the guy, which one's better? He said, oh, the front. So we're in the front car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, no,
and
no,
here we go. Here we go.
No.
Okay, I think we're going to be turning again. I have to put my foot up. The anticipation's killing me. It's killing me. Ah! Oh my goodness. Thanks for going on that with me, Nikki.
You're
Very
welcome.
cool.
Hey,
Yeah. So we went to the bottom. Whoa, hey, oh, hey, oh. So here we are. We made it to the bottom once around, and we said, hey, whoa, hey. We made it once around, and we thought, oh yeah. And so we thought that was the end of the ride down there, but much to our enjoyment or chagrin, I'm not sure which, we're going around again, and we had to call Mommy! Oh my God.
yay!
Yeah! There is so much here to do at Coney Island. I don't think there's any way that we could cover everything just in vlog. Maybe sometime we'll just do a nighttime. Another time maybe we'll just do food. Whatever it is, go ahead and throw me some suggestions. And while out here on the boardwalk, ran into some beautiful people from across the pond over in Scotland. Lauren and Matt. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Are you having a good time?
Great time.
What's your favorite thing on the boardwalk? Nathan's? Yes.
Stay on.
Yes. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. Always appreciate it, and it helps us grow. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and by all means, stay on! Yeah!